everyone, my name is Sasha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect the lace squares like this one. You can use any square that you have, but it has to have like those chain spaces in the last row, like these ones. And we're going to connect them using the join as you go method. We're not going to finish the last row of our square, and while finishing the last row, we're going to connect it to the other square. So in the end, it's gonna look something like this. And with those squares, you can make like anything. You can make a top, you can make a scarf, you can make like a lot of those squares and make a scarf. You can make skirt, you can make a dress, you can make anything. The possibilities are limitless. And with those squares, this is a bloom square. This is my own pattern, you can find on Ravelry. So I made this top. This is a bloom top, and I'm actually obsessed with it because I really like how the squares, you cannot even see them because the joints are almost invisible, and you cannot, if you didn't know that they are squares, you would never tell, I guess. And so I just connected many squares and some triangles, so it looks like this. And you can make something like this. You can make less squares, you can make it like a dress, you can make more squares, so you can make anything. And now let's begin. So now I'm going to show you how to connect those squares as you go. I didn't finish the last row of this square. I finished this and this side, and this is unfinished side. I'm gonna connect it to this side here. So almost all of my chain spaces have 5 chains in them. So this, and the corner ones have 7 chains. So to connect them, I'm gonna continue crocheting this row just as I would do in my pattern, and in the middle of those chain spaces I'm gonna connect them to this square. So for example, if my chain space have 5 chains, I'm gonna connect it, I'm gonna chain 2 with the third one. I'm gonna connect it like right here, and then I'm gonna chain 2 more. So in total it has also 5 chains. And with the corner ones, I'm gonna chain 3, then I'm gonna connect with the 4th, and then chain 3 more. So in total we also have 7 chains. So let's start. So we're gonna start with the corner one, and I'm gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm gonna insert my hook inside this chain space, yarn over, and I'm gonna pull through the loop and the chain space. This way I connected my chain space to this square. And as I said, now I'm gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. This way I created the 7 chain space with this square. And now I'm gonna continue with the pattern. Here I have 4 of these petals. In one petal is 3 triple crochet together. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. And they are crocheted together. So I just made this petal right here parallel to here. So next chain space is this one. This one is 5 chain space. So I'm gonna chain 2. 1, 2. Next, I'm gonna connect here. So I insert the hook inside this chain space, yarn over, and I pull through the loop. And now I'm gonna chain 2. 1, 2. So next in my pattern I have one last petal, and I'm gonna do 3 triple crochet. So it's 1, 2, 3. Next I have this chain space, and I'm gonna chain 2. 1, 2, insert the hook right here, yarn over, pull through the loop, continue 2 chains, 1, 2. Right here with my pattern I have to do 1 single crochet in this chain space, so 1 single crochet. Next is this chain space, so 2 chains, 1, 2, insert the hook, run over, pull through, chain 2, 1, 2. Next I have this chain space, I insert the hook here, I have to do a single crochet, so insert the hook, I do 1 single crochet. Next is this one, once again chain 2, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, and then chain 2. So this is how it looks right now. With this yarn you can see, because it's like blue and white, but if you have one color yarn it won't be visible when you finish this connection. So next in my pattern I have these 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochet, and I'm gonna connect with this chain space. This has only 1 chain, so I chain 2, and now I'm gonna do 3 double crochet. That's what my pattern says. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I did this. Now I'm gonna chain 1, insert the hook inside here, yarn over, pull through, and chain 1 more. And next I have to do 3 double crochets right here. So 1, 1, 2, 3. And so now I'm gonna just continue doing that until the end of my row. I'm gonna connect here, 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 here. Here I'm gonna chain 3 instead of chain 2 because it's the corner one. Connect here, and then I'll just continue with my pattern like I would normally do, and then I'm gonna finish it right here, and it's gonna be complete. So here's how the connection looks right now. So we connected it through those chain spaces. If you have any other square, you can just see your chain spaces divided by 2, and with like the middle stitch you're gonna connect it to the other side. And here, as you can see, I have added 1 additional chain, so it looks like this. And now I'm just gonna finish my square. So I finished my square. Now it looks like this. We connected it right here, and so with this way you're gonna continue making your squares and making your pattern. So for example, if I want like a scarf, I would make this square, and I'm not gonna finish this side. This way I can connect it right here. and if I make it like a top or something, and I need to add right here, so I'm not gonna finish this one. I'm gonna connect, and with the next square I'm not gonna finish this and this side. So as I go, I would connect here and also connect here. And here is how you connect as you go. Okay guys, I hope you managed to connect your squares. Please let me know in the comments if you did, and what did you do with your squares. Maybe it's a top, please let me know. And as I said, the pattern for this bloom square and for the bloom top is gonna be in the description. It's on my Ravelry and on my Etsy, and also there you can find my other patterns, and on my website you can see also my previous works, and I'm working on some new ones, so stay tuned. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.